Tell me, what's happening outside? What do you see outside? What's happening?
It's raining.
It's raining?
Oh, it's raining.
Oh no.
A cup.
Cameron, is it raining?
A cup.
Oh, here, let me help you.
A cup. A cup.
You see a cup down there? Let's see.
A cup.
Oh, Daddy's can is down there on the bench.
Yep.
Cameron, can you look at Mommy and tell me what's happening outside? What's happening?
Day.
Hmm?
A cup.
I saw the cup. What else? What do you see?
The raining.
It's raining. Did you just take a nap? Cameron?
Cameron, is it thundering? Is there any thunder?
Uh,
No thunder.
the raining.
It's raining. Cameron, can you say lawnmower?
It's wet.
Is your lawnmower wet?
Hmm?
Do you think your lawnmower is wet?
Cameron, what's my name?
It's home.
Can I ask you a question?
Who's home?
Where does Grandpa live?
Florida.
Where does Aunt Kelly live?
A cup.
Oh,
I
okay.
saw that cup. Yeah.
Where does Aunt Kelly live?
I wet. Hey, wet.
Yep.
Oh, no, sure it's
It's
wet. Oh, where does Jackson live?
Hungry.
Oh.
What?
Does Jackson live in Texas?
Donna.
Oh, and who else lives in Texas?
Daisy.
Who lives in Texas?
Kylie.
Kelly. Who else lives in Texas? What about Logan?
Yeah, Logan.
And what about Jackson?
Yes, and
What about Uncle Clegg?
still raining.
It's still raining. Where does Nana Colleen live? Does she live in Texas? Who's having a baby?
Nana.
No.
Nana's not having a baby. Who's having a baby, Cameron? Is Mommy having a baby?
No.
Who's going to have a baby?
Oh, Donna.
Who's going to have a baby? Are you going to have a baby living in your house?
A car.
In a car? Who else is going to have a baby?
A profile.
A what?
There. And new.
You got a boo-boo?
I found it.
You fell down.
Huh?
How old are you? How old is Cameron? How old are you? You have anything else to say?
We're raining.
It's raining. Besides, it's raining. Cameron, is Aunt Kelly going to have a baby?
No.
Is Mommy going to have a baby?
No.
Yes. Oh, hey Cameron. Who sleeps on the couch?
Daddy.
Does Mommy sleep on the couch?
No.
No. Does Cameron sleep on the couch?
No.
Where does Cameron sleep?
Bee.
In the bed.
Hey,
Oh, can you say I love you?
I love it.
Can you say it again?
I love
Thank you.
it. And wood.
Can you say lawnmower?
Mama.
Sorry, baby. Can you say, oh, Bailey?
A baby.
Okay.